Thank you so much for watching. It's the Urban Square, and we're glad you're part of the show. Well, we were talking about love at first sight, and then we ended the topic. Even if you cry so much, we cannot actually continue that topic, but we have an amazing one. Well, we are talking about what is trending nowadays in the youth. There is this something that's been trending, but weird. Even if you hear it for the first time, you say, something has happened. I mean, this is a character. I mean, it's a behavior of men out there, young men. They formed a WhatsApp group, and they try to look out for women who are so easy to actually attract. Should I say attract? Women who are so easily taken up by something. So they come to you and ask you, which friend do you have that is so easy for anything? I mean, says yes for anything. And then you just give in the number of maybe your friend or your colleague. And then they take this number, put it in their WhatsApp group of men, and then they start, each one begin calling you. Each one is passing advances to you. You can either fall a victim for women who do not have a no in their mouth. This is real. I'm talking about something that is trending. Yeah, they also have a Facebook page where they actually put your line, your number there, and then they keep on calling you. If this one calls you, another one calls you the other time, they give you appointments, you go meet this one, meet the other, and you can easily fall a victim and actually sleep around with all those men. And then later they talk about you. Women have fallen victim, young girls out there. And then our topic of discussion is going to rotate there. We are asking, how are we going to restore the morals and values for the youth in our society? And we are asking ourselves, what is happening right now? Abasajja tebalina bakazi, they are looking for women just like that, or abakyala babafudde kyakuzanyisa. I'm taking it to the ladies here, but how can we restore the moral values for the youth enaku zino abalenzi n'abawala in society? Ekintu kino kibaddewo, kiri mu kuhappeninga, basobola okukubira essimu, and you think that you're falling in love. I mean, you've gotten a nice man. Kati omuntu ayagala okudrivinga nga gwe nga musajja ayinza okujja ne Benz n'agisimbawo. N'agisimbawo maaso go n'akukwana naye nga they are playing games on us. It is happening.
You cannot come with your money and your posh things and you think that you can attract me.
People who are so ambitious for things.
Yes.
Someone comes with a Range Rover and they be like, oh my God. What if he
Also
buys me a Vitis?
I think people are living a fake life.
You might have fallen out of with your boyfriend, and now you're looking for someone else. And then this person comes in a humble way, nabanga kukwana, you accept. Then after 2 days, another one comes. You can even fail to pick out who. Omanyi waliwo abawala nabo abasamahavu. Yes, nagamba bona kambere nabo. You know, something like that, and then you fall a victim.
Board on the table and start advising their girls, because nowadays I can't blame the boys, the men. I blame it on the girls. They don't know how to say no. They are not decided. So I think the girls of these days should really, parents should go back and start advising, especially in the whole society, not only parents in the house, but the entire society should go back and help our girls so that we may really help them out.
Sometimes the groups you are in, the group are already, you can be in a group of 3 girls. When you do something, you all are so ambitious. You know, like, let me say, like those campus girls.
Where you're competing.
On a Tadeko with Veno, you also want this one. This one has an iPhone. You're having a Techno, you also want an iPhone. I mean, if a man comes with that nice looking and is having money, will that girl stay?
Well, no.
She will go and get that money and get what that's why you see girls moving from one man to another. They are looking for things. They are not looking for love, no. They are looking for money and other things.
And these days, most girls leave their homes. So I don't know how you're telling the parent okutandika okubuulira cause a parent customer la campus or around campus abamanyi oyo mature you're going to choose amanyi okuzze so your parents will not get you
omwana akula
teri mwana akula naye okimanyi nawe this attitude you develop when you're done with campus when you're at campus no I shouldn't do this anti awe bakolera mistake and they want everything.
Parents can do
anything. Mistakes zaffe tuzikolera nnyo ku university. Era mukama bw'akutaasa embeera eyo oyinza okuba ng'osimattuse lwansonga mu bino ebiseera mwe tubeera nga tugamba tubeera n'omwoyo oguyaayaana tetumatira na kye tulina twegomba nnyo okitegeera anyway mu bufunzi waliwo ekyalo kye nali ngenzeeko ekyalo kino nga kiriko ababooda sijja kyogera mannya ku kyalo kino ababooda nga beekuŋŋaanya bw'obayitako nga bagamba omwalo oyo tugenda mufuna tutya nga bagamba tugenda kukwata nti ssente zenkoze olunaku tuli abantu 7 tuzigatte gw'ogenda okwana omuwala oyo yeeraga nnyo yeemanyi tebamukwana nakkiriza then oyo bw'agaana olunaku oluddako ng'omulala akola ki nga bakuŋŋaanya nga bawa omulala Julie mbutuufu bw'obanga maybe you're not in a relationship obanga you're not in a stable relationship this guy bagenda musondera ssente amale omwezi nga mulamba nga akudiginga ageza okuseducinga nti bambi olwokuba kino tekiri kubeera na mmeme ennafu kino kisobola okugwa ku buli muntu okitegeera and guess what ekisinga okuluma ku bagayizi bano they are all HIV positive naye kyalo kikimanyi era nga bwe batandika okuka n'omunakwana akuyambye yakulaba nagatokola ensobi olugenze okitegeera naye nga bakimanyi ku kyalo nti abaana bano beeyisa mu mbeera bweti they don't say a word okitegeera meaning nti ennaku zino abantu kwegamba oba twerekerera nga tusobola kumanya nti ekikosi waliwo ekikosi ekikola empisa ezo mosonga these guys are even HIV positive nokkiriza bakwana omwana wa munno kone singa okimanyi noga yamanyi anti abawala baagala nnyo kuula you get it so kino tekiri nti olwokuba omusajja zayina ssente niye bana basajja bayinza okupulaninga nga ne bwoba muzito otya ffe tuli bakazi tulina emitima enough of course at a certain point you're going to lose it but I think ffe ng'abakyala tulina kweberera munakusaba because kino kisobola okuggwako at any moment not because you want money but maybe when you're looking for true love and this guy is coming so sweet so perfect you're Prince Charming you're like okay I've got him you know we just need to plan you know I don't know
to you you have to make sure you are really in love or you take time and date get to know this person before you go to bed the problem with the women the girls of these days they want to go to bed even before they are
Trisha, these guys they can hide because they are playing this game perfectly. They plan it. They can even plan it
else
right. Yeah, that's
because
why we just need God in all this.
I've seen it.
God is needed, but even women also should take back they should learn to say no. They should not just accept to give themselves
to 10 men when I'm single.
If you no, I'm not saying no to every man, but
let's try to
abasajja kumi bonna bajje bankwanenga bujajja bwengana bujajja bwengana ndifumbirwa konange
the thing is that these days girls want to whoever comes their way bagala genda mu buliri now we bamanya nti your love is not just in bed that is
this is happening and it's very trending by the way nowadays since that ladies here are aware of it you can't fall a victim right so our humble appeal to the ladies out there
we can
the humble appeal to the ladies who are watching the show
once you're married what will you be looking for?
This is real and it has been trending it's going on don't fall a victim of such men I mean there are so many desperate young girls out there who are looking for lovers I mean you're not in love omusajja yakuchaye yesterday and you're desperately looking for someone okuzaawo be patient take your time try to learn the person you want to fall in love with that's all I can tell you but before we close there is something that Rancy wants to take us through that is very educative in just 1 minute Rancy please take us through that
okay you know whenever we have topics we always talk about sex we always talk about different things that affect women so I want to say something have you heard of sexuality education sexuality education it's not that we teach people how to do sex or sex issues it's a well-being of someone. How you deal with people around your environment, your body attire, how you actually tell people that this is this and this is not real. So I wanted you guys to know that sexuality starts as early as zero age. As long as you produce a baby at 1 year or 2 years, you're supposed to give them a name. You're supposed to the baby has that love and interact with the mother.
Yeah.
Because never more belly omulala tajja abayagala mama we ngamanyi ne taata we bwajja ajaga mu taata wange. Then this grows up watuka like 5 years, most kids batandikira okusoma at 4 years, 5 years. Then he or she meets these other friends in the society bagenda kusomera, and then nalaninga okukolagana n'abantu abalala batali you family level. Natandika okukolagana n'abalala. So as this one grows, we go to the 9 years and 10 years. You know that most girls have start menstruation as early as 9 years.
Yeah.
Most girls. So that also introduces the adolescent stage. 10 years, 11 years, as early as senior one, omwana natandika getting attracted to the opposite sex. Natandika kubeera ne a friend nga talina. Yeah, even at at 5 years it's just friends, but then when you get to 10 years, natandika kugamba, oh, I want a boyfriend, I want this. There is that desire. So after this age, of course, most of them fall a victim. And at around 15, 16 years, you see these girls getting pregnant. As they get pregnant, their parents chase them from home. That's early marriage. I mean, these girls are atuuse mbufumo nga tanaba kwetuuka. Kati bwe banga ng'omusajja atayagala muwasa, what we should do, she will abort. This is a very difficult stage that most girls are dying around this age. Tebagala kubanga abortion, is illegal. She will not go to the hospital for bajije mbulungi. Okay, then we go to the campus level where everyone is having a boyfriend, people are having stable relationships. You go to the menopause and you cannot even give birth. So as I finish, I wanted to show you that sexuality happens in all stages.
Thank you so much, Rancy. Well, Urban Square is the show. We had amazing topics. Rancy has actually educated us somewhere, somehow. Hope to pick a leaf. We shall have that segment in our show, probably to be educative for you people out there who are watching the show. Show has come to an end. We are glad that you've been part of it. Yes, we've been at Central Top Restaurant, which is located in Kamocha, opposite Diamond Trusted Bank. Well, when you reach Kamocha stage, as you're going to Intinda, it's just on the left-hand side. When you're going to Kampala, it's just on the right-hand side. They have amazing space where you can put your parties, small parties like birthday parties. You have baby shower. They have amazing space that looks absolutely amazing. They have good food. Hey, they have snacks. So you want to visit them, please come. You're going to have the best services ever. My name is Julie. The show has come to an end. Let's wish you a very nice weekend and a great week ahead of you. Take care.
Boyfriend, life is a bomb. I'm yours, your cargo. Let's fly in your chopper. Hey, yeah. Olino mukwano mtalina dina onkona mubiri magumba ngamsekuso. Wampa love baby, wampa kwekusa, wampa nyabu love nigga, busemi kozo. Would you mind, calling your phone at any time? Would you mind, kutera sa mutima na wampa
go to ja. Oh, tell baby, oh, mutima kubera go to ja.
Good to ja. What are you, baby? Oh, mutima kubera good to ja.
Kuba kukona we do. Kukona we do. Kuba kukona we do. Kukona we do. Kwata pen, kwata lupapula nzoke nkuwe. Byonna yoyagala, wandika ntuma nkuwe. Kubanga omutima gwange wagwefuga.
byaleta mu mutima munda byebe kwagala omuweka wansangula maziga gonna
gutuja 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 otali baby omutima gubeera gutuja
gutuja gutuja gutuja otali baby omutima gubeera gutuja
kuba gukona we tututu gukona we tututu kuba gukona we tututu gukona we tututu omutima mulwadde yanguwa baby gwe musawo kwata wano awawo. Would you mind calling your phone at any time?
would you mind muteresa mutima na
Gano kose baby katubalumye sembera omukwano gwenina kujuza nedebe hey kusudde mu mukwano guno mutego galamyo mean breakfast kutebo gutuja 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 otali baby omutima gubeera gutuja
gutuja gutuja gutuja otali baby omutima gubeera gutuja
kuba gukona we tututu gukona we tututu kuba gukona we tututu gukona we tututu
lega say wambonabona omusayi n'omutima byakonekutinga luno lunaku nze sirwejjusa waponya buli bugodigo obutakuta omisinse olimu ekirungo kya sukaali alaaliyo nkubisa walaayi yego wange omugwe mpita bumaali alaali ne bwe wataba futaali